Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the hinge cables in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/16 inch nut driver, a 5/8 open-end wrench, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a pair of new hinge cables. The hinge cables connect the door springs and the door hinges, allowing for the smooth opening and closing of the door. If the dishwasher door falls down without any resistance, the most likely reason are broken hinge cables. Open the door, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws that secures the dishwasher to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shadow valve, just in case the water will leak down. And then, using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. If the hinge cable is still attached, pull on the cable and then remove the plastic hook of the hinge using the needle nose pliers. Lift the spring side of the cable up vertically and disengage the end tab from the spring locking bracket. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side of the dishwasher. This is the old hinge cables next to the new one. If you don't have these parts, you can get them from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the end tab into the spring locking bracket vertically and then turn it horizontally. The tab should lock in the spring. Place the hinge cable around the bottom roller and hook it on the hinge using the needle nose pliers. Install the second hinge cable the same way. Open and close the door to check for the proper installation of the hinge cables. Push the dishwasher under the counter. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16 inch nut driver. Open the door and secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the two Phillips screws. And close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.